And next program, assembly programming language. Assembly programming language. By using ALP, write the program for addition of two 8-bit number. Addition of two 8-bit number and result also. Result using 8-bit number. Result also using 8-bit number. This is the program by using ALP, assembly language program. First you write the mnemonics. For any program you write mnemonics. Mnemonics. LXI H 8500. I am taking here memory location for data is 8500. Memory location data. Memory data location is 8500. Next, move A comma M. Move A comma M. Next, move A comma M means the data which is present in memory that can be moved into, that can be copied, that can be stored into accumulator. A register is nothing but a accumulator. Next, INX H. Increment the 16-bit data which is present in HL pair. Which is present in HL pair. Here H indirectly indicates HL pair. And next, add M. Add M. Here M is memory. M is memory. M indirectly indicates HL location. The data which is present in HL location. The data which is present in HL location. And then finally result which is stored in accumulator that I want to place. This is optional and this location is optional. 8502. I want to store the result in 8502 and the data is location is 8500. I choose it. And next, start the program hard. Stop the program hard. Next, coming to this, next first you write the mnemonics. For this you write opcodes. First you write this opcodes. Next, LXI-H. What is the opcode for LXI-H? Go through the opcode sheet and check and you fill the opcodes. LXI-H 21. For the LXI-H, load the 16-bit immediate data into HL location. For that, opcode is 21. And next, first you write the LSBs and next MSBs. 00 85. 21 00 85. Next, move A comma M. Opcode 7E. These are the fixed. Opcodes are the fixed, but the locations are depending on our choice only. Next, INX H 23. INX H 23. Add M 86. Add M 86. Next, STA. Store the accumulator content. For STA 32. And next, first in the 16-bit data, first you enter the LSBs. Here LSB is 02 and next 85 and next halt is CF. The opcode of halt is CF. Here 21 is the 8-bit data. 21 is the 8-bit data. So that's why is treated as a 1 byte of data. 1 byte of data. And next, after filling the opcodes, we write number of bytes. Number of bytes. Here for this instruction, for LXI H8500 instruction, how many bytes are used? 3 bytes only. Next, move A, N, 7E only 1 byte. Next, INX H 1 byte. Add M 1 byte. STA 8502, we use the 3 bytes. For the hard, only 1 byte. Totally, the program consists of how many bytes? 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 bytes. Total bytes are 9 bytes. And next, this is the writing of ALP for theory. Coming to the practical, we enter either mnemonics or opcodes. Either mnemonics or opcodes in particular location in a 8085 kit. So for this, you compulsory write for the practical memory location. For the 21, for the starting memory location, I choose 8000. The one thing here we observed, this location, this data location is different from the memory location. You remember this one. This is different from this location. And next, here this is three locations from 3 bytes. So that's why 8001, 8002. And next for this 8003. Next INX H 8004. Add 8005. STA 32 for 32. 8006. For mentioning the address location 8007, 8008. For the hard 8009. These are the like this when you write the memory location. Like this you write the program in 8085 microprocessor. This is the program for addition of 2 8-bit number and result also present in 8-bit number only. Next, for this program, algorithm. For every program we write algorithm, flowchart and ALP. Next, coming to the algorithm, step 1 is start. Step 1 is start. Next, step 2. First step of algorithm is start. Step 2, load the data. Load the first number into HL file. Load first number into HL file. After that, first number is loaded into accumulator. Step 3, load first number into accumulator or A register, both are same. Next, step 4, increment HL location. Increment HL pair to get the second number. Increment HL pair to get second number. Next, step 5. Add first number to second number. First number be second number. Add first number with second number. Then the final result can be stored in the accumulator. The result which is stored in accumulator. Next step 6 is STA8502. That means the accumulator content, the result which is present in accumulator, that is stored in 8502 is stored into address location, specified address location. The result in accumulator is stored in specified address. Specified address. Next, step 7. What is the step 7? Halt. Halt is nothing but a stop the program. Stop the program. Like this, we write the algorithm for ALP. For this program, you write flowchart. This is the program. This is the algorithm and flowchart of the program. Based on the algorithm, we draw the flowchart. First step is start. For the start, we take the vowel symbol. Take the vowel symbol. And for the input or output purpose, we use the rectangular symbol, parallelogram symbol, parallelogram. So here what is load first number, load first number to HLP. And next, move first number into accumulator. First number to a resistor or accumulator, both are same. And next increment the HLP. Increment HLP. Next one, addition. First number plus second number. First number and second number. Next, result will be stored in specified location. Here what is the specified location? 8502. The data which is present in accumulator, that is moved into the 8502. And next, finally it is a start the program. This is the flowchart of addition of two 8-bit number. Like this, you write the ALP program in 8085. And next, from this program only, we observed how to write subtraction of the two 8-bit number. Subtraction of the two 8-bit number. What is the difference? Main difference is the, now we did addition. You go through the subtraction of two 8-bit number. Getting first number into HL pair and that number into accumulator, increment the HL pair for the next data. For this, add, instead of add, we just write sub, SUB SUBM. That only the difference in the program. For the sub m, for this sub m, the opcode will be changed. The opcode will be changed. That is the 96. The opcode is the 96. Remaining all things, opcodes, number of bytes, memory locations, all are same as addition of 2 8-bit location. What is the function of sub m? A minus m, the data which is present in accumulator minus the data which is present in the memory. A minus m, result will be stored in the accumulator. Here step 5 only changed in the program, so that's why in algorithm also we change step 5 only. Just write instead of add, subtract. Subtract second number from first number. Second number from first number. Sub m, first number. Subtract first number. Whatever taken, either first number or second number, just subtract memory data. Subtract memory data from accumulator data. Subtract memory data from a register data. The fifth step only change from addition to subtraction. Here also, put minus. That simply you write the content which is present in accumulator minus memory. Then the final result of this is stored in accumulator, and the accumulator data is stored into specified address location. Here specified address location is 8502. So the result will be stored in the 8502. Like this we write the addition of 2 8-bit number and subtraction of the 2 8-bit number.